So now let's bring in and work with text inside of Canva. So to do that, I'm going to go on to the area where it says text. So let me just click on it, and as I click on it, you can see that I can select some font combinations. So I can go over here onto the font combination I want to work with, and I can simply click on it and it'll be brought in over here just like this. So I can double click over here and then start working with this. So I can say something like Udemy right over here, and I can say like something like Canva right over here. Just double click and work around with the text, and there you go. So that is how you work around with the text right over here. You can also go around and add in your own text right here. So let me just delete this out right over here and then bring in the text right from over here. I can add in a heading, add in a subheading, and add in a bit of a body text if I want to. So in my case, I don't want to, so I'm just going to say Udemy right over here. And then I can go over here and change it into Canva right over here. I can change out the fonts from right over here as well and choose the design that I want to work with. So we're going to learn more about how to work with all of these options in the next lesson as well. So as I have the text, as you can see, I can group these out together as well. And now this is my custom design, as you can see. What you can also do is you can search for different text themes right over here. Let's say, for example, you want to search for party, simply type in party and press enter right over here, and you can see that party themed text combinations actually just come over here. So you can click on the one you want just like this, and they'll be brought up over here, and then you can make the changes right over here just like this. So you can go over here from just like that, and then type in the font right over there, and there you go. You have everything changed out. And that is how you can bring and work with fonts inside of Canva.